How to log into your Acorn app after forgetting your password. So in here, very first thing to do is simply open your Acorn, and then from here what we're going to do is make sure that we remember at least our email address, right? So in here you can see this pop-up where you'll need to tap on the option login right here. Then from here all you need to do is enter your email address. So after entering your email address, if you do not remember your password, there's no need to get worried about. You can tap on login, then there will be the requirement of adding down your password, right? So before that, if you have if you have signed up your account with your Apple ID, you can tap on continue with Apple and simply go along with the process of adding down the credentials of Apple, where you wouldn't be required to add in the password, right? So like I said, if you have created your account manually, you'll need to add in your email address, then tap on login. You'll be able to add in your password, where if you have forgotten your password, you can get the option of need help or forgot password on the bottom of that password box. All you need to do is tap on that one, and then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. You might need to add in your email address again, and then if you tap on continue, you might actually get a link through your email ID, or you might actually get a 6-digit code in order to verify. You can do that and you will be able to reset your password. Then you can come back to your login page and then add in your new password and then tap on login in order to log into your Acorns account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.